Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing paint nails with me because I wanted a video where I can just talk with you and tell you all that it's on my mind and how I've been feeling since 2020 has started and January and everything. So I wanted a video where I know that you would enjoy watching, but also kind of like update video. And I don't want I really don't make videos that are kind of negative because I don't really want to put that out in the universe or on the internet, because when I feel down, I really do feel down. But this I just kind of felt like making it because I didn't make a video in 3 weeks, and you guys know that I usually upload the. You guys know that I upload videos every like 3 days or maybe a week, but I'm trying my best to just kind of work it out, and life has been testing me, and I feel like everyone has those moments where they feel just discouraged and just like in real life I've been trying to get a job, and I'm trying to figure everything out, and it's not going the way I kind of wanted it to go, and it's not. A lot of things have been happening, and I feel like everything in life is so like fast. Life goes on fast and we should live it to fullest, but sometimes all those sparkles that we put out and that I always say, like, never let anyone do your sparkle. I say it because I feel like you guys are my sparkle. I feel like you guys are my sparkles, and we kind of gather here and light each other's way. And I want us to do that, to guide and heal and just be better in this year. And I kind of felt like it's gonna happen. Obviously, just the first month has passed by, but honestly, I think there is a room for everything. And you can see even by my nails, I'm not paying attention to them, not applying any oil like I usually do. I mean, I am now, but you see in the video that my cuticles and kind of look a little bit dusty, and you can see I made a lot of mistakes while painting this red nail polish, and I wanted red for some reason, and I kept making like mistakes, but it doesn't matter because everything can be fixed, and life goes on so like fast that we forget to actually enjoy it and stop. And also, if you guys hear my voice a little bit different, is because I'm currently sick. So yeah, I wanted to film this video, this voiceover, and just talk with you. And yes, I did left two of my thumbs clear because I needed it for cleanup, because I actually, as I said, made lots of mistakes, and I'm actually painting my second hand, which I never usually paint on the video, but since you guys kind of requested it, that's why I did it. And I wanted to do videos that you want to see and watch, and I want to entertain you guys and also inspire you. And I feel that is one of the reasons that we are here, and that is why we are like magical sparkles that light up the way, and we kind of gather here and create this beautiful light that will not just only help one person but maybe many. And I know this is just painting nails, but it's actually much more than that, and I know that you know that if you're subscribed, and if you're a viewer, and if you're a viewer of mine for a long time. So at the end, I am applying this nail polish on my thumb, but my thumbs I did use for cleanup, so that's one of the tips. Even though this video was actually about just feelings and totally random, but I hope you enjoy it. Let me know, what are your thoughts? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Are you celebrating life? Are you going through something? What is happening in your life? What is something that you want me to know? And I would love to know that in the comments, to see it and just kind of talk with you. And if you don't have anything else to say to me, you can leave me a little emoji that is like sparkle emoji. That is our emoji, and we can kind of light up the way so we can all be, you know, enlightened. I'm using the Seche Vite top coat, and I've been using this one for years. I did get one by Essence. It's very good, but I didn't film with that top coat because I preferred this one. But that one by Essence that I showed you on Instagram is very good as well. But videos from now are going back on as regulars and as you can see, the latest video was tips that every girl should know on how to do French manicure, so check that one out if you missed it. I feel there is something for everyone on this channel, and I feel like we're growing, so I'm very thankful for that. There is so many videos and so many tips that you can take from my channel, and also you wanted me to make these videos a bit longer, so they are like podcasts where we can just talk about topics. I asked you guys that and you said 100% yes, do it, so I will definitely do it in the future more. So you can pick topic, you can leave me a topic in the comment section as well that you want me to talk about. If you have any questions, it doesn't have to be nail related, it can be, but it doesn't have to, because I want to make these nail shows longer and kind of podcast like, and just be all about us talking and just kind of spreading the light and believing in better days. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know everything we talked about, and I will talk with you in my next one. Until then, check out my latest videos, and there is so many more on my channel. As I always say, never let anyone do you sparkle. See you in the next one. Bye.